So this is my I can deal with this is my first ever Halloween makeup video. I'm going to celebrate Halloween this year for the first time in my life, and I'm sure this will be a very special event and I will remember this my whole life. I didn't actually record a video for YouTube, but I recorded some edited videos for TikTok transitions and stuff. I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. So
These fantasies started 2 years ago, 3 years ago. When?
2 years ago. It's always the same. It starts the same way.
How? Tell me.
I prepare for the noble war. I'm calm. I know the secret. I know what's coming, and I know no one can stop me, including myself.
Do you target people who have been mean to you or unkind?
I kill people I like.
first of all, now I'm going to wash up my whole face. It's almost midnight. Anyway, please subscribe and like the video. Comment down below what you would like to see next. Okay.